I guess good to go means different things to different people. My man Larry. Let's see what Larry's done. Larry's gone for the day. He left again. Third time he's come and gone. Tools are gone. Some shit's back on. Let's see what you get done, my guy. So you spend 2 hours here and do shit. Okay. Okay. That's what's up.
1 hour later.
Larry said at 10 o'clock he'd be here. It's almost noon. Who knows? Who knows? No Larry. Left him an oil filter and a gasket. Alright, well, we'll see what Larry does. Now we'll just wait for Larry, I suppose. Always fucking waiting for Larry. Call this one the Larry update. Oh shit, did I just lock myself out of the house? Oh, thank goodness. Whew. Never run out the door after a wake and bake. Alright, so this is the Larry update. Larry said he'd be back 2 days ago now, and he didn't come back. He said he'd be back yesterday morning to finish up this shit, which is silly. It's not that much left. And never came back. Today, no call. So we have this pile of parts left. The motor's in. Yeah, this is what we got. So that's where we stand now. Just waiting on Larry. Again. Man, so I texted Larry this morning. I said, if you can't get it done this weekend, I'm just gonna either pay somebody else or just do it myself, but I don't need your services. So he came right back. Let's see what Larry's done. Okay. You got the intake manifold. You got the intake manifold on. Can't tell if the bolt back there is done. That's a real bitch though. This fucking guy. So it started raining at about 4 o'clock. And you know, it only rains for about 10-15 minutes here just to cool off. It's 100 degrees. So started raining and he started, I could tell he started packing up. It didn't even start raining. It started sprinkling. He started packing up. It's like, this guy's fucking leaving. He didn't. He got into his car and he had his wife text me and ask for some money. It's raining. We don't have any gas. I need cigarettes. Like, no, finish the fucking job. I caught this motherfucker at Walmart when I was at Walmart earlier. Drove right past him. You were supposed to be at my house putting my engine in. So, whatever. I didn't answer the texts. He gets most of the thing done. I'm watching on my security camera. He gets most of everything done. Like, it looks good. It looks good. He literally has the distributor and the battery left to put in. I mean, but it's back together. So, getting cranky with me and shit, like, that's ridiculous. But it looks good. I mean, it looks decent. It's in there. We're almost done. Looks good. We're getting there. He's done, y'all. He's done. So Larry came back and worked until 11:30 in the night, cussing and screaming, and he broke the dog ears, the teeth, on the new distributor that I bought. So he was seen digging those out, which that was great. So we get it started, no check engine lights, works just fine, burp the coolant, fill up all the other fluids, everything is good there. 11:30 at night, I pay them. Thank you very much, Larry. Can we leave our tools here? Absolutely, come back tomorrow. You know, I wanted to test drive it and do all that. So he left it up on his jack, and I'm just done. I'm done with Larry. Fucking done with Larry. So next morning comes, I want to get it down. I want to do a test drive first thing in the morning before it gets hot. And he told me I was good to go. I pulled the car out and it was great. I just had 4th gear in it. You know, everything is great. A little bit of smoke, but that's okay. He was working on it, dirty motherfucker, you know. I let off the gas, doing about 35. I let off the gas, and from the front driver's side wheel, the front left wheel, I could hear tuk, 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 tuk. I knew it wasn't gonna be like too bad because it pulled great, but it was making a very bad noise. You know, it could be a couple things. Could be the CV, could be motor mount. So I called Larry. I got back in, and I didn't want to mess with it. It's been Larry's project, so I let Larry deal with his problem, and he came right back about 15 minutes after I called him, and he tightened down the motor mount, and he tightened up the half shaft brace, and then he tightened down the lug nuts on my wheel that weren't tight. They were hand tightened. So I could have lost a wheel, which I'm glad I didn't, and it's just crazy. So I should have checked that. That was my bad. I guess good to go means different things to different people. So I'm about to put the air intake on and go for another ride to make sure everything is okay, because I still haven't put the intake on, and I didn't want to pay him to do that. So let's go put that on. So we're gonna pull the van into the driveway. I don't want to pull it around back. That's too much hassle. It's supposed to be 10 degrees cooler than yesterday, but still way too hot for me. So still kind of clean. Boom. No check engine lights so far. Still got this stock airbox in the way. Looks like just two, or maybe three. Looks like there's one down there, one right there. What? Yeah. There we go. Check it out. Nice intake. It's on there. I'm not gonna bother supporting it. It's really light. Look good. Looks really good. Just use the little section of hose in here. Just cut it very short. Yeah, she's good to go. So let's kick it on and see what's up. Sweet. So that's it looks great. I mean, it works great. Looks good. I'd say that's a very successful job. The issue originally was that there was a 8-inch crack or so. It was a crack from here to here. An original intake is like $50. This was like 25 or something like that. So no brainer there. So time to rip this thing around for a little bit today and make sure that everything's gonna be copacetic.